Hey crypto fam! Welcome back to NextGen Crypto, the channel where we break down trading strategies, uncover hidden crypto opportunities, and give you practical tips to grow your portfolio safely. Today, I'm sharing the 3 exchanges I personally use and trust, and why they are perfect for beginners and active traders looking for real opportunities in the crypto market. I'll also show you how I split my funds, manage risk, and maximize learning while trading. Let's start with Finex, my main exchange and where most of my trading happens. The trading engine is lightning fast, so even during volatile market swings, you won't miss trades. Fees are ultra low, just 0.1% per trade. That means more of your money stays invested instead of going to fees. Finex is beginner friendly. Features like light mode simplify trading for newcomers. You can use copy trading to follow experienced traders or experiment with staking and even AI-powered trading bots. Two-factor authentication ensures your account is protected. Most funds are in cold wallet storage. They also have proof of reserves, which means the platform's funds are fully backed, something you want to see before trusting an exchange. Next up is xt.com, a Tier 3 exchange that I use for spotting early-stage coins. It lists coins before they hit bigger exchanges, giving you a chance to get in early and potentially earn high profits. Many of these coins have smaller market caps, which can lead to big price swings in a short time. Liquidity can be low, so prices can move fast, sometimes unpredictably. I only use xt.com for small, short-term trades. My strategy is to take profits quickly and withdraw them immediately. Finally, we have DG Finex, which I use for a slightly more stable experience while exploring new coins. It's more stable than Tier 3 exchanges and offers decent liquidity. I use it for experimenting with small trades and testing coins that are new but not as risky as the very early stage coins on xt.com. Even though DG Finex is safer, I never trade large amounts here or hold long-term positions. It's a great place to practice and learn without putting your main portfolio at risk. Here's how I manage my crypto funds across these exchanges. 70% goes to Finex for safe trades and long-term growth. 25% goes to xt.com to capture early opportunities with high profit potential. 5% goes to DG Finex for experimentation and learning. I start small, monitor my trades closely, and withdraw profits regularly. This approach helps me learn and grow steadily while taking calculated risks without losing control of my funds. If you want, I can show my first $50 trade step by step in a follow-up video, so you see exactly how I apply this strategy in real time. Hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss future trading tips, hidden coin opportunities, and smart strategies.